Today we'll learn this. Makeup sponge crochet tutorial. There are 3 colors of yarn here. Here I'll demonstrate using just one. And when you rake crocheting, just change the yarn colors yourself. The crochet method is all the same. Before crocheting, first take out this box. Wrap the yarn. Then make a loop with this yarn, forming a ring. Then pinch here tightly with your hands. We'll crochet inside this ring. Insert hook from below through the ring, wrap yarn, and pull through. Yarn over, hook 1 chain stitch CH. Then insert hook into this ring again. Note there are 2 strands here. Yarn over above the hook and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is 1 single crochet SC. Here on this side, form this V-shaped shape. Like this. Form 2 strands shaped like a V. This is the stitch of the single crochet. Need to place a marker on it. Place marker, hold this loop. And together with this tail, insert through. 2 strands, still yarn over above and pull through. This is the 2nd single crochet SC. Need to hook 6 single crochets inside. 3rd single crochets. 4th. 5th. 6th. After 6 single crochets are hooked, you can count them. There are 6 of these V shapes. Pull tight this tail. After pulling tight, join with the stitches where the stitch marker is. Pull yarn through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop through, the second loop. After pulling through, here forms another V shape. Then pull tight forcefully. This V shape shrinks to be very small. This is a slip stitch sole street. Pull this loop a bit smaller. The stitches of this slip stitch must be pulled tight. If not pulled tight, here we'll have an extra stitch. Start row 2. First hook 1 chain stitch CH, then still in the same stitches, which is the position of the stitch marker. Pull yarn through. Yarn over. First single crochet SC. The pattern for row 2 is to hook single crochet increases SC ink, that is, hook 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Place this tail on top of the hook while crocheting and use your fingers to hold it down. When crocheting, when pulling through, just don't pull that loop out. Then when crocheting, often the hook goes down. Then pull yarn from above. This is an ordinary single crochet. An ordinary single crochet, when hooked, produces a texture like this. You can see clearly. It forms a V shape like this. This is what an ordinary single crochet produces. Hook goes down like this. Hook goes, hook. Hook goes over the yarn. Pull from below. When hooked out, it becomes like our cross-stitch type texture. Generally, when crocheting amigurumi, one personally prefer this kind of stitch because it looks nicer. When you all are crocheting, you can crochet in your preferred way. This one is the cross-stitch method. This one is the ordinary single crochet method, a comparison of the stitches. Here, everyone just use your preferred method. Back to row to crochet. Inside here, 2 single crochets are already hooked. Need to hook a total of 6 sets. This was just the first set. Now hook the second set. Also hook 2 single crochets in this stitch. Here are already 2 sets. Hook for more sets. After 4 sets are hooked, a total of 6 sets are hooked. Row 2 has 12 stitches. You can count them yourself. These stitches still joined with the first stitch. Pull through, then pull tight. 1 chain stitch CH. Cut this tail a bit. Then for row 3, first hook 1 single crochet SC. Also in the stitch marker position, hook the first single crochet SC. After hooking, place a marker. In the next stitch hook, a single crochet increase SC ink. This is the first set. Hook a total of 6 sets. This is the second set. 1 single crochet SC, 1 single crochet increase SC ink. After row 3 is hooked, the total stitch count is 18 stitches. Join with the first stitch. This slip stitch must be pulled tight, otherwise later there will be an extra stitch, which might confuse everyone. 1 chain stitch CH. Next, crochet row 4. Also first hook 1 single crochet SC. Place marker. In the next stitch hook, another single crochet SC. Then in the third stitch hook, a single crochet increases SC ink. For this round, first hook 2 single crochets SC, then hook 1 single crochet increase SC ink. Repeated 6 times, rep 6. After row 4 is hooked, take out this top cover and bottom cover. Because the crochet method for the first 4 rounds is the same, you can compare. When crocheting this, Try to keep the tension slightly tight. And while crocheting, keep comparing like this. If it's too big or too small, you can adjust in time. Join with the first stitch. After joining, 1 chain stitch CH. Start row 5. Row 5, directly hook 20 for single crochets. That is, hook 1 single crochet SC in each stitch. After row 5 is hooked, join with the first stitch. One chain stitch CH. Continue crocheting row 6. You can see. First, it's fitted. Row 6, first hook 5 single crochets. First one, place markers. After 5 single crochets are hooked, hook 1 single crochet increase as C-ink. Repeat a total of 4 times rep 4. After the first one is hooked, also need to compare. It's just right, not too tight, and not much bigger. If your tension is tighter or looser, then for this round, don't increase. Just hook 1 round of single crochet. If it's tighter, you can. First hook for single crochets SC, then hook 1 increase. This tightness, you can adjust by yourself. After row 6 is hooked, join with the first stitch, 1 chain stitch CH. For rows 7 to 12, directly hook 28 single crochets SC. That is, hook 1 single crochet SC in each stitch. Place marker. After each round is hooked, must join with the first stitch. This is row 7. After hooking, you can also compare like this. It's just right, not big and not small. 1 chain stitch CH. Here I'll teach you to see the row count. This central circle. is row 1. Then after this dividing line, this is row 2. This is row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6, row 7. All are very clear. After row 7 is hooked. Row 8, row 9, row 10 are all 28 single crochets per round, same as row 7 just now. So I 1T repeated here. Crochet to row 10 by yourself. Row 12. After it's hooked, you can count the rows. This is row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take out this top cover and compare it. There will be a bit of extra distance here because there's one more round not crocheted yet. If there's a lot extra here, you can add one more row of single crochet. If there's no space here, then subtract one row. Just unravel one row like this. Finally, hook such a slip stitch SL streak. This will look nicer on the outside. Crochet the last row, and with the first stitch, join Sol Street. After hooking one chain stitch CH, still in the first stitch hook a slip stitch Sol Street. Note: don't pull the slip stitches of the last row too tight. Keep them the same length as the normal stitches. Hook slip stitches directly in each stitch like this. Maintain this stitch to be the same length as the single crochet stitch. Lift the loop on the hook slightly. This slip stitches will become a bit larger. After hooking to the last stitch, you can see this was the position of the first slip stitch joint. Directly pull the loop long and cut yarn. Hook the loop and pull through. Take out this needle. Go through the stitch of the first slip stitch. After go in through. This is the last stitch. Then after go in through the middle. Pull to the back. Pull a bit tight. Here it becomes one stitch. Then weave in the end inside. Find the vertical strands inside. These vertical strands use this needle. Find the inside vertical strands. Pick up these vertical strands, but cannot pick up the outside part. After going through a few stitches, pulling through. Then make another comparison. Put the cover on. Then use red yarn to directly hook chain stitches CH. First wrapping yarn. After wrapping yarn, same as before, a loop. Then from below the loop, pull this strand out, forming a knot. Go through. Pull a bit smaller, then directly pull yarn through. This is a chain stitch CH. Continue hooking 10. After hooking, go into the first stitch, pick up any strands, then pull through, then pull through again. Hook a slip stitch sew straight, pull tight. Hook one more chain stitch CH. Cut yarn. Make a knot with this tail. After making a knot, leaving a small bit of tail is enough. Find the center point of this top cover. Go through the center. Hook this yarn from inside and pull out. After pulling out, turn to the back. At this tail position, take out this glue stick. Then cut it into a slanted edge. You can also directly on this side. Then heat it. Apply a bit of glue at this position. Glue this tail onto it. This is the handle. Leave a longer tail, but this is already very tight. Won't loosen even if pulled like this. Can apply more glue here? Let's put this aside for now, then crochet this bottom cover. It will be similar to the top cover crochet method, but will have a little difference. Take out the yarn. First wrap yarn. Then pinch a loop. After pinching tightly, go through this loop. Pull yarn through. Continue hooking one chain stitch CH. After hooking, still insert hook into the loop. Hook 6 single crochets. First one, place markers. After hooking, pull tight the loop. Join with the first stitch sew straight. When joining, pull tight this loop. Hook one chain stitch CH. Row 2. Hook single crochet increases as C ink. For the first one, place markers. Then in this stitch hook, another single crochet SC. This is a single crochet increase SC ink. Hook a total of 6 sets. After 6 sets are hooked, join with the first stitch. One chain stitch CH. Start row 3. Still in the first stitch hook a single crochet. In the next stitch hook, a single crochet increase SC ink. This is the first set. Hook 6 sets. This is the second set. After 6 sets are hooked, join with the first stitch. Pay attention for row 4. You can compare first. This central circle is the same size as this piece. When hooking row 4, pay attention. Only hook into the back loop only below of this stitch. This is a complete stitch. Only hooked into the back loop. This, the half of the loop closer to the hook. The first stitch might be a bit smaller. So when crocheting, must pay attention to the stitches. Insertion point. 1 single crochet. Second back loop stitch. A single crochet increase SC ink. This is the pattern. 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet increase SC ink. Hook a total of 6 sets. After finishing, join with the first stitch. One chain stitch CH. Row 5, hook 20 for single crochets SC. Just hook 1 single crochet SC in each stitch. After row 5 is hooked, join with the first stitch. Row 6, hook 5 single crochets. Then 1 single crochet increases SC ink. Five single crochets, then 1 increase. Hook a total of 6 rows. After hooking, join with the first stitch. 1 chain stitch CH. When crocheting, must compare in time. If this is too small, increase in time. If too big, if much too big, then decrease in time. Next, hook row 7. Directly hook 28 single crochets SC. That is, in each stitch, hook 1 single crochet SC. Join with the first stitch. This is row 7. While we crochet, keep comparing the length. Need to crochet to row 11 in total. Everyone crochet by yourselves, and for the first stitch of each round, must join. After row 11 is hooked, first take out this and compare. Because this will be a bit tight, because yarn has elasticity, so as long as it's not too loose and can fit inside, it's fine. There will still be a bit of distance left here, but note, because this bottom cover, this distance is included inside. This top section does not need to be crocheted. Then we only need to calculate the distance from here to here. If you still have this much width left, have a lot of width, then add 1 more row of single crochet here, if it's just right, leaving a small gap like this. Then you can hook the last round of slip stitches. What needs attention is this middle part. It is included inside, so yarn cannot be crocheted inside that part. After row 11 is hooked, also join with the first stitch, 1 chain stitch CH. Then directly hook 1 round of slip stitches Sole Street. Slip stitches are also the same. Cannot be too tight. Keep them a bit loose. Same as this stitch. Same length is fine. Need to leave a long tail here. Find the first slip stitch. Insert needle. Then go back to the middle of the last stitch. Go inside. Don't weave in the end yet here. Then take out the top cover. Also found the same position. Here you can clearly see, this position is not the same as other positions. This is the position of the slip stitch joined just now. Need to take the top cover and bottom cover. After finding the same position, go through the stitches on this side. And also only take this half strand. And when going through the stitches on this side, also only pick up such a half strand to join together. Then sew the corresponding stitches. Sew about 4 or 5 stitches like this, after sewing about 4 to 5 stitches. It becomes connected. Then make a knot, still in the same stitch position. After pulling through, it forms a loop, right? Then the needle goes through, like this. Then wrap once more. Hold the base, pull tight the loop. This forms a knot. Finally, inside. Weave this strand inside. This is the bottom covers. Inside part of the bottom cover. Insert inside to weave in the end. Then pick up these vertical strands. Pick them up. Pull through. Every time after weaving in ends. Cut the glue stick into a slanted edge. Like this. Only heat this pointed part. At the base where the end is woven, dab a little bit of glue. Press tight. Then cut. This tail, when pulled, this tail won't show.